Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I am showing you a short little video on how I took my kitchen from this to this. But before we get started, I told you on yesterday that I am going to start doing shout outs on my channel because I think it's super important for all YouTube creators to support, motivate, and encourage other YouTube creators. So today's shout out goes to Styling with Juju Faison, because about 11 days ago she did this beautiful outdoor tablescape using the saucers that I am using in my video today. But that tablescape was so gorgeous, and she does really beautiful things on her channel, so don't forget to go over and check her channel out as well. Today I'm showing you a kitchen countertop refresh, so I'm just going to let you enjoy the video to music, and if you enjoy it, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed seeing the kitchen refresh that I did today on my kitchen countertops. And if you did, please don't forget to leave me a comment down in the comment section. And if you don't mind, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow. And if this is your first time visiting, welcome. And I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.